Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a little rainbow look here because it is Pride Month. I did do like a little bit of a rainbow look recently and you guys were like, oh, this is perfect for Pride, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna do a full real deal Pride look, okay? And here we are. Flip the earrings. I didn't really have anything in mind. I just kind of winged it and I was like putting a little color here, a little color there, and this is what we came out with. So if you want to see how to get this look and you want to chit chat a little bit, we're gonna have like a little growth talk, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna have a little chit chat, okay? Then go ahead and keep on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the ABH eye primer. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't really like it very much. And I love ABH, but I just don't really like this primer. And I feel like I used it in a different video and I talked about it and it was cool, but the more I use it, the more I'm like, damn, like that thing's dry. I say as I put it on my eyeball. When you just like apply it with a brush, it's so thick. Some things are thick and we're like, that's great, but this is thick and I'm like, Does this look like my old setup, you guys, or does it look like it's a new spot? I ended up making it look pretty much like my old setup, which was actually just like a closet that I was filming in front of. And this one is like, this is my whole room. There's like a whole ass room right here. And you guys will see it soon when I do like a little house tour. But for now, just use your imagination. It's really hard to find a Pride look to do or to do like a rainbow look that hasn't been done already. So we're gonna try our best because it's all been done before. First, I'm gonna take this little neon palette from Huda Beauty. These are more like a pastel. They're just not neon in the way that like those new neon pigments that you're seeing everywhere are. Those ones are like, bam, like that's a highlighter. These are more pastel. It's almost like those little lime crime pigment palettes that they have, like those plushy palettes. It's supposed to be like a puff of pigment. I'm gonna go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna take this little green shade here. I'm definitely gonna do one of each eye because I really just love doing that anyways, honestly. Even if it wasn't a rainbow look, I just love doing two different eye looks. I actually bought this skirt like last year to go to Pride and I didn't end up going. Let me stand. I'm standing up on my chair right now. I'm actually gonna end up going in with this one. This is Drip Drop. This is from the Colored Raine Pigments palette. I'm probably gonna use this a lot for this look. So I bought that skirt last year to wear to Pride. Didn't end up going. I bought these like super fat rainbow earrings to wear this year. Didn't go. Again. Mostly because I just don't have anybody to go with. It's like, you can just go alone and just stand off to the side. Maybe you may know this, maybe you may not. I'm not like a super social butterfly. For me, that would be Phoenix Pride because I live in Arizona. So, I don't know. Maybe next year we'll all meet up. We'll make it a day. I'm gonna cut this real quick. I don't do a lot of girl talk type of stuff up on this channel, you know what I'm saying? Kind of, like we chit chat about TV shows and music and that kind of thing. But I don't think we've ever had like a little heart to heart, like a little moment, you know what I mean? There's like a line right there where I use the base. It's like there's a fat line right here. What am I gonna do with that? Gonna be a problem. I'm gonna go in with the shade Cute right here, and this is once again from that Colored Raine palette. Oh, that's pretty. I know it might not seem like it because I'm on YouTube, and which some people think just on YouTube means that everybody knows everything about your life. For me, that's not really the case. I'm very, very, very private. My life just be going through it sometimes. I'm gonna go with the shade Vibes, by the way. I don't think this has ever come up really on my channel for any reason because I do makeup and there's just there's never been like a segue of relevance to that. Like I just be putting lip gloss on, that just never comes up. But I personally am attracted to both men and women, physically and romantically and otherwise. I don't know why I just said it like that, but yeah, it's not a secret or anything that I'm not honest about or like I try to hide. It just doesn't really come up on my channel. Nobody really questioned that or me because I've been in a relationship with a man, or I was for quite a long time, and because I have kids, I think people just assume that that's not like an option, but it is. That's an option for sure. And the person I was with, who you guys know, obviously, he was just in my video like a couple videos ago, knew that the whole time we were together. So we were together for freaking 8 years. So yeah, it's not anything I've ever tried to hide from anybody. I'm gonna use the shade Lemon Drop. And I know for a lot of people to come on camera and talk about sexuality and that kind of thing is huge, you know? And I respect that. That is huge for a lot of people. I just grew up in a household where that didn't really matter. Like, not in a bad way. I just mean it didn't really matter. Nobody's gonna judge you, you know what I'm saying? And the world's a different place, obviously. Out in the open, people will judge you. But I don't fucking care. I mean, obviously it does matter because there are people that are physically assaulted and abused or thrown out of their homes or public places because of their sexuality and because people are disgusting and hateful. And obviously that is extremely, extremely, extremely serious and should be taken seriously. And that's why there is a time to celebrate those people for being their authentic selves. And so I just think it's about community and coming together and being around people like yourself. People that I actually love and care about in my real life, that doesn't matter. Say if I was like in high school and I was like, oh, I'm going to prom with this girl. That's my date. Like, it's just not a big deal. It's like, oh, okay, that's cool. Definitely fortunate to have a family that is that way, and I love them to death. This looks kind of fly. I didn't start liking anybody for a long time, like until I hit puberty, which is like around 12, right? Like, I didn't like anybody. Like, I was like, what? Like, yeah, you can hold my lunchbox for me, but I don't like you. And yeah, you can buy me Valentine's, but I don't like you. I mean, maybe that's still me. I just didn't. Like, I didn't have crushes or any of that. Like, when I was super young like that, I was just playing with Bratz dolls. I was doing my thing, you know? I was fortunate enough to have the internet, so, like, there was a lot of, like, what's this? What's that? I would watch a lot of stuff, okay? Like, I knew what was up. Maybe this is just me, but it's usually not until you're a little bit older, like where people start actually dating, where you notice like, oh, like I want to date this person. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm just like babbling on, but I don't know. I think it's a good video to talk about that. Obviously, there's a lot of struggles and hardships that people go through to be able to tell a story like that or to be able to be themselves. To me, it doesn't affect my view of people or otherwise, so it's like, I know the world's not that way. I'm gonna go ahead and go darker on both eyes here. I'm gonna take this again. I got the red shade, got a little black, gonna mix it up. I'm just feeling like a little smoky today. Just a little bit. For the blue one, to deepen it up a little bit, I'm gonna take a little bit of Squad and Yacht Life. I'm gonna use the Dream palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put my face makeup on real quick, and then I'll be right back to do the under eye. Let's go ahead and finish the bottom part of the eye real quick. So I'm just gonna use basically the same exact thing that I did before. Gonna use that green shade. The unfortunate part is that this purple is gonna make it look like I have a black eye, but now it's too late. I've done what I've done. My lips have probably looked so crusty this entire video, so I'm going to go ahead and put something on them real quick. I'm going to take the NYX Nude Beige Lip Pencil. I wish it was Sandstorm, but I guess they're all sold out, so. It just doesn't pop off the way Sandstorm does, you know? Then I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Staycation lipstick. The whole Jacqueline lipstick scandals got me like really looking at my lipsticks like, hey, what's really good with you? And this is the iLuvSarahii and Colourpop gloss in Curvii. Everything's pretty much all done. I just gotta put on some lashes and we are good to go. I'm gonna put the Kush mascara on real quick. I'm still rocking with this. Actually really bomb. Okay, let's throw some lashes on. These lashes might look like shit because I got eyelash glue on them, and so they're kind of like stuck together a little bit, but the best lashes are lashes that you've worn at least a couple times, so I don't want to switch them up and I don't want to put a different pair on, so we're gonna do what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and back you guys up real quick, but this is basically a taste of the look right here. Alright, you guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the look. Let me know down below what your favorite color combos are, like a full rainbow eye. I've been loving rainbow recently, like a little bit of the brighter colors. Like this red is kind of out of the ordinary. I don't be wearing nothing but black and white. Like I wear nothing but small white shirts. Like I love small white shirts. That's my whole style, is just small white shirts. But I wanted to kind of match it up a little bit. As far as like my nails and my eyes, I've been going for a little bit more color lately. Anyways, you guys, that is it for this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.